Offer your clients a convenient and efficient way to handle their financial tasks anytime, anywhere. Enhance client satisfaction and reduce support costs by empowering clients with self-service options and personalized experiences. Extend the pre-built financial services client portal so your clients can submit information, file complaints, and upload documents, all while managing tasks using clear action plans. Easily create a new Experience Cloud site with minimal clicks. Customize the site with Experience Builder and use branded designs, ready-made Lightning components, and custom layouts and themes. Use Discovery Framework-based forms for efficient data capture and analysis. Simplify document collection with document checklist items. Streamline complaint submissions with complaint management using the self-service portal. For example, you can track onboarding tasks by using action plans. Show an action plan list on your Experience Cloud site's record detail page. Take advantage of the pre-built Financial Services Cloud client experience templates and transform your client interactions today.